Last month, a guy brought his 2017 Street Glide into my shop with 40,000 miles on it. He'd just come from the Harley dealer for an oil change, and they handed him a service estimate that made his jaw drop. $2,487 for what they called essential 40K service. The list included cam chain tensioner inspection at $680, three-hole oil service at $420, throttle body sync at $340, brake fluid flush at $240, primary chain adjustment at $310, and fuel system cleaning at $457. He asked me if he really needed all of it. I told him yes, most of it was legitimate maintenance, but no, it didn't need to cost $2,500. I walked him through every service on that list, showed him what was actually required and what he could do himself in his garage with basic tools. We knocked out the entire 40,000-mile service in one Saturday afternoon for $340 in parts.
Same service, same results, just without the dealer markup and the $140 per hour labor rate. There are 5 services ahead that dealers love to overcharge for. I'm going to show you exactly how to do each one, what parts you need, and how much you'll save.
Number 5. Throttle body synchronization. Dealer price, $340. The dealer quote included throttle body sync as a separate line item. They claimed the throttles were out of balance and needed adjustment. Here's the truth. Milwaukee 8 engines use electronic throttle by wire. There is no cable, no linkage, and no manual sync procedure. The ECU controls both throttles automatically. They cannot go out of sync. On older twin-cam models with cable throttles, throttle sync takes 10 minutes with a screwdriver. You balance the idle speed between front and rear throttle plates using 2 adjustment screws. You don't need special tools, just a tachometer built into your gauge cluster and a flat blade screwdriver. Dealer cost, $340. Your cost, $0. Time, 10 minutes on a twin-cam, not applicable on Milwaukee 8. Skip this completely if you have a 2017 or newer bike. It's a made-up service.
Number 4. Fuel system cleaning service. Dealer price, $457. The dealer wanted $457 to run fuel system cleaner through the tank and clean the injectors with a machine. Here's what actually works. Pour a bottle of Chevron Tektron Concentrate Plus into a full tank of premium gas. It costs $12 at any auto parts store. Tektron is a polyether amine detergent that dissolves carbon deposits on injector tips and intake valves. It's the same active ingredient the dealer uses in their $80 per bottle cleaner. Run 1 bottle every 10,000 miles and your injectors stay clean. There's no need for a $457 machine service unless your injectors are completely clogged. Dealer cost, $457. Your cost, $12. Time, 30 seconds. That's $445 saved.
Number 3. Brake fluid flush. Dealer price, $280. The dealer quoted $280 to flush and replace brake fluid in both front and rear systems. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air. Over time, water contamination lowers the boiling point and causes corrosion. Harley recommends flushing brake fluid every 2 years. So yes, this service is necessary. But no, it doesn't cost $280. Here's how to do it yourself. You need 2 bottles of .4 brake fluid at $8 each, a clear hose that fits over the bleeder valve, and a 10mm wrench. Total cost, $20. Start with the rear brake. Remove the reservoir cap on the rear master cylinder and top it off with fresh fluid. Attach the clear hose to the bleeder valve on the rear caliper and run the other end into a catch bottle. Have someone pull the rear brake lever and hold it. Crack open the bleeder valve. Old fluid and air push out through the hose. Close the valve before the lever bottoms out. Repeat until the fluid coming out is clear. Refill the reservoir, then move to the front. Same process on both front calipers. The entire job takes 30 minutes. Dealer cost?
$280. Your cost? $20. Time? 30 minutes. You just saved $260. Number 2. 3-hole oil service. Dealer price, $420. This is the big one.
The dealer wanted $420 to change oil in the engine, primary, and transmission. Here's what you actually need. For the engine, 4 quarts of Screaming Eagle Syn 3 at $13 per quart and an oil filter at $12. For the primary, 1 quart of Formula Plus at $16. For the transmission, 1 quart of transmission oil at $18. Total parts cost, $98. Here's how to do it. Warm up the bike for 5 minutes, then shut it off and let it sit for 2 minutes so oil drains back into the sump. Start with the engine. Remove the drain plug with a Torx 60-bit. Drain the oil into a pan. Reinstall the plug with a new O-ring and replace the oil filter. Refill with 3 quarts, run the bike for 30 seconds, shut it off, wait 2 minutes, and top off to the full mark on the dipstick.
Next, drain the primary. Remove the derby cover. Tip the bike to the left and let the fluid drain out. Reinstall the derby cover with a new $8 gasket and refill with 1 quart of Formula Plus through the fill plug on top. Finally, drain the transmission. The drain plug is on the bottom of the case. Drain it, reinstall the plug with a new O-ring, and refill with 1 quart through the fill plug. Total time, 1 hour if you take your time. Dealer cost, $420. Your cost, $98 in fluids and filters. Time, 1 hour. You just saved $322.
Number 1. Cam chain tensioner inspection and primary chain adjustment. Dealer price, $990 combined. These were the 2 most expensive line items. The dealer wanted $680 to inspect cam chain tensioners and $310 to adjust the primary chain. Here's the reality. On twin cam engines, cam chain tensioners are a known weak point. They wear out, collapse, and cause cam chain slap. So yes, inspecting them at 40,000 miles is smart. But if your tensioners are bad, you'll hear it. The engine will rattle on cold startup, and the noise goes away after a few seconds once oil pressure builds. If you don't hear that rattle, your tensioners are fine. The dealer charges $680 because they're billing for teardown, inspection, and reassembly, even if nothing needs replacing. Here's what you do instead. Start your bike cold and listen. If there's no rattle,
Your tensioners are good. If there is a rattle, buy a fueling or S&S hydraulic cam chain tensioner kit for $180 and install it yourself in about 3 hours. For the primary chain adjustment, you're already in there when you drain the primary fluid. Remove the derby cover, check the chain tension by pushing up on the lower run of the chain. It should have 3/8 to 5/8 inch of free play. If it's outside that range, adjust the tensioner shoe using the adjustment screw. While you're in there, inspect the compensator for wear, check the clutch plates for glazing, and look for metal debris. Reinstall the derby cover with a new gasket, torque the bolts to 10 foot-pounds, and refill with primary fluid. Total time, 45 minutes, and you're doing it while changing the primary fluid anyway. Dealer cost, $990 for both services. Your cost, $0 if tensioners are fine, or $180 if you need to replace them. The primary adjustment is free since you're already in there. You just saved $990, or $810 if you actually need new tensioners. Let's add it up. The dealer wanted $2,000.
We skipped the throttle body sync because it's not needed. We used a $12 bottle of Techron instead of the $457 fuel cleaning. We did the brake flush for $20. We did the 3-hole oil service for $98, which included the primary fluid change and chain adjustment. We inspected the cam tensioners for free by listening for the rattle. We also threw in a new air filter for $52 and a new derby cover gasket for $8 since we were in there anyway. Total cost, $190 in parts if your cam tensioners are fine. Total time, about 3 hours on a Saturday. Total saved, $2,297. If you actually need cam tensioners, add $180 for the kit. Total cost becomes $370, and you still save $2,117.
Same service, same parts, same protection, just without the dealer markup. You don't need to be a master mechanic to do this. You need basic hand tools, a service manual, and the willingness to get your hands dirty. The dealer isn't ripping you off. They're charging what the market will bear, but you don't have to pay it. Do it yourself. Pocket the savings and put that $2,000 towards your next road trip. Ride smart.